Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to another live stream. And in this live stream, I will be covering Shopify OAuth 2 implementation, and I'll be using ExpressJS, which is a Node.js framework. Obviously, you know that. And let's begin. So, in our inventory app project, last time how we did it was we used PHP Laravel in order to install the application and save the database, and we had handed over the API side to ExpressJS. But now, given that it's one of my applications as well, I will use ExpressJS as a full-fledged installation handler, and everything will stay in ExpressJS. So let me first close all of it and start with server.js. So first of all, I will turn off Redis and MongoDB because for Redis and MongoDB to work in Windows, I have to. Hey, Krishna, how you doing? First, I will comment out Redis. Okay, so from here to here, commented out. Mongo client, I will also comment out. So these two lines I will comment out. Then this client connect, I will also comment out. Then this thing as well, this thing as well, and this thing as well. So I think this should take care of commenting out. How is your app development going? It seems like you've been running into a lot of issues recently. Are you finding Shopify functions complicated? Okay, so Redis. So first I will comment out this require Redis. Okay. I'm sure you will run into more problems later. Let me know when you do. So I will, yeah. So Auth.js, I have to remove Redis from there. Then from this thing, I have to, yeah, remove Redis. Yeah, so it's removed. In Auth.js, I have to remove Redis. Because Remix is maintained by Shopify, and Shopify usually screws things up with updates. So if I use Remix, then that's a React framework. First of all, I don't use React, but I see the risk in using Remix because what if tomorrow they release an update with Remix and it broke some of the functionality? Then what will you do? You have built your entire application on Remix. Everything is dependent on the node modules folder, or let's say one library. So if I use Laravel, I would rather have all the control on Laravel packages myself, and I would have the option to either downgrade Laravel or upgrade Laravel based on my decision. I don't want to hand out the decision of Remix to Shopify developers. That's why. So basically, bro, I have gotten screwed up many times in my software career to know all these things. When Shopify released Remix, their library using React, I knew instantly I'm not gonna use it because it's too risky. Yeah, you can use it. I mean, you must know React.js much better than me, so you can handle it. But I can't take the risk. No. Yeah, it's okay to publish. You can publish it. I think it's too much effort just commenting out Redis first. So 14 instances, let me zoom out just a little. I'm sorry if you can't read it, but first I have to remove it from here. remove it from here. Great. Yeah, so Redis is removed. Orders controller, Redis is not used here anyway, so remove it. Products controller. See, I'll be honest with you. Checkout UI extensions are really packed. I mean, it's really restricted. You can't really do much of the things on the checkout page. Shopify has really restricted you having any sort of flexibility on checkout page. Previously, like I'll tell you one thing. Previously, there was a client that came to me that showed me their checkout page, and in their checkout page, they had something like when you add 5 items to the cart and you go to checkout, the checkout will actually have a banner in the center and it will say checking availability for your products. So rather than creating a checkout on Shopify, it would also create a checkout on their own backend. So there are sync with Shopify and their backend. But now that they have released the checkout UI extension and they have restricted so many things, you have lost many sorts of flexibility that you had before. So when you ask this about the ordering shipping option, can we change the UI? I really doubt it that you can. But anyway, you can try and let me know if it works. I'd be happy. Just one instance here. 29 instances. Cool. What else are you learning these days? Oh, hey, Bollywood latest song hits. Oh, so I was saying that what else are you learning these days? Or are you just working with Shopify functions? Yeah, go on. It's pretty nice to know that Bollywood needs my help. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, go on. Any issues you are facing? An env file is missing. Okay. Are you in my Discord server? So I can send you the env file there easily. I don't think I can send you the env file here in this chat. It's like there's some kind of restriction over how long messages can I type. Um, yeah, I think we are good now. Auth.js, there is no mention. Yeah, so I can basically. What's the issue with CLI? Join my Discord server, Bollywood. I don't know your name. Could you let me no, could you let me know your name? You can join my Discord server. Your name is Haroon. Okay. What is BLQ? I don't know. Anyway. Okay, so let me now run this. Blank value. Yeah. Yeah, join it. I'll send you the env file, and also I'll send you the video where you can follow and you can install the project properly. Because if you are stuck at env, then I assume that you're not even up and running yet. Have you configured the Shopify partners account? Server.js 67. Nice. Yes, I have published apps before. There was an app called Glowroad. I think they have taken it off the Shopify store now, but it was a dropshipping app with about 400 to 500 active store installs, but about 20,000 total installs. And right now, there is an application called Almi that I have published. So let me show you. Yeah, here you go. This is an app I have published. It's a neural network infused app. Yes, Harun, I will help you, don't worry. Yeah, sorry, I can't do that. I have to get this stream done first. If you want it, you can install it on your development store and then you can, work with it, do whatever. It's publicly available. You can do that. What was it? MySQL API, MongoDB, I have to turn off, right? Exactly like Zen drop. What is it? Zen drop. Okay, drop shipping and POD. Uh, yeah, I do. See? See, now they only have one screenshot right here. It's easy. Yeah, it's easy. Yeah, you can build it. It's not that complicated. You only have to, um, you only have to work on that part where you have to ask people to upload their products. So you can list it to other dropshippers. Why would I download it, man? You can talk to me on the Discord server if you need any sort of help. So just I've been going to the gym for 8 years now, so on and off, obviously. But yeah. Yeah, it is running now. So on localhost 3000. Okay, cannot get dashboard. Why is that? How do I see it? Window. Oh, what the hell? Okay, okay, okay. Stream status is correct. Stream latency. Hmm. DVR. I don't know what's happening really. Anyway, yeah, I use OBS. Let me open up my OBS. So settings, stream. I think I have to close the stream and start it once again. Can't really do that right now. And also, it's quite warm here, but no, not going to take my shirt off. Output, okay. Settings, output. It's how many was it? 750, right? Okay. Let me know if it works now. Should I set it to 7,000 kbps? Okay, let me know in, I think it should kick in 2 or 3 minutes. Let me know. Okay, so this is done. So let me now work on the app installation. Yeah, bitrate, correct. Video bitrate is now 7,000 kbps. Anyway, okay, so server.js. I want to create a new file in this installation controller.js. And then in auth.js, I want to say okay. Oh. I want to say index, and then I want to define another function called redirect function. Are you guys hearing outside noise? My time is 9 p.m. It's the perks of being a freelancer. I can stream whenever I want. Also, Harun, oh, that's my wife. So that woman voice that you're hearing, yeah. Yes, yes. Actually, just wait one sec. Yes. Now I closed the window. Yeah. Also, Harun, you just said something about giving classes to you. No, I'm not a father yet, but when I'll be a father, obviously a video will go on my channel. If you open up my channel, I have two videos about my wedding. Both of them are unlisted, so you cannot find them using the search bar. But yeah, there is a 35-minute video about my wedding. You can watch that. But nah, I don't have a kid. Also, Harun, if you're still here, can you give me classes? Yes, I can give you classes. You can talk to me on Discord. Maybe we can come to an arrangement. I'll teach you. Now, see, I can't really answer that, Fox Pro. I might get in trouble if I did. Okay. So first of all, we have to check if object if request dot what was it shop and request dot No, bro, I'm Hindu. Are you a Muslim? Um, Actually, I could just, you know, you don't have to say namaste just because, Indians say namaste, not just Hindu. Oh, you are also nice. As shop, then request validity from checkout. Cool. So only shop we are checking. Validity hmac. Cool. So request dot shop and request dot hmac. Request and has on property shop and request has on property hmac and request dot shop dot length and request dot hmac dot length. Yeah, hmac valid false. Await function trade dot is hmac is request from Shopify. I'll pass in request dot query, is it? Okay. I'm a freelancer, bro. I don't have a daily job anymore. I work when I want. I work from where I want. By the way, did the bitrate increase? Like, can you watch my stream in 1080p now? If hmac valid, then do something. Otherwise, I'll return rest JSON status false message. Fox Pro, what are you doing? Do you want to code along with my stream or you just chilling? Message will be invalid. How much to build shipping carrier service? How much meaning what? Shipping carrier service, what is it? Like do you want to build a public app with like, are you asking my price? Shipping carrier service. So basically like a shipping carrier integration you need. So something with a place order functionality, tracking order. Yeah, like UPS. Okay. You can talk to me on Discord. Maybe we can come to an arrangement there. I don't wanna deal with things right here. If hmac valid, then what did I do? Oh, sorry. Then var shop equals request dot query dot shop. Request dot it should be request dot query dot has own property, isn't it? Yeah. So request dot query dot shop. After that, thanks. I should get my wife to watch my stream. Let her know how much I am loved by my audience. Yeah, thanks, man. I said before, and I'll say it again. I'm a believer in free knowledge. Whatever I learn in my career and the things that I explore, I will create videos and I'll create streams about it. So you can be assured that you will always have free content coming your way. Um, Patreon, my Patreon. Check in the description. There is a link that you can pay. DB record will be await function trade dot get store by domain. You can even donate one time, and you don't even have to keep the subscription. Just donate one time and cancel that. Are you guys interested in AWS tutorials? Like, I really know how to configure AWS from scratch, including almost, I would not say everything, but there are some things that I know that will get a basic setup up and running in no time. I really want to create, yeah, I mean, Patreon is a convenient way. Um, Otherwise, on Discord, I can give you my bank details so you can donate if you want. But bank details is usually, very complicated. Patreon's kind of simple. You only have to have a card that supports subscriptions, so it's easy. Um, get store by domain. If db record. What's Saveria? Saveria is a service for donating. No, oh, I'll send you my bank details, so I think you can use that to do a direct bank transfer. Fox Pro, how's it going lately? How are you holding up? db.length dp or not equal to null and so let me do the token validation here. Token valid check if store actually keep doing that. I'll also maybe join in and I'll raise pull requests. So, I'll have my open source contribution. Oh, it's almost Turing complete, is it? Okay. I'll also raise PRs and, have my open source contribution. Maybe it will add weightage to my resume. If I put this retool script, then maybe it will get me a job at Google or Microsoft or basically any company that I want. Function trait dot check store token validity db record. Who knows, maybe I'll get a job at Microsoft or Google. Then I can be a real douche about it. If token valid, otherwise should have used shop here. Eka Krishna, you are from Malaysia, right? Do you party? Do you party? Do you drink or do you smoke? So token validity, if it's there, then I will do return res redirect dashboard probably. I'm asking him. I want to know if he does. Return. So endpoint would be in any case where endpoint would be HTTPS shop slash I want to say where API version equals 2024-01 where access. Fox Pro, can you confirm once, please, that can you see my stream in 1080p? Equals, like, let's say, read products, read orders. Just two things, it's all right. So admin OAuth authorized client ID. Can't see on my phone. You can't see it because the option is available or no? Oh, you're Chromecasting. Can anyone else confirm, please? Like, is it high definition, Fox Pro? If it's high definition, then yes, it is working. Okay, so therefore, yeah. Thanks. This dot client ID. Yeah, no worries, no worries. I think Chromecasting, it has its own, where client ID equals something where um and scope equals access scopes and redirect UI redirect UI equals localhost 3000 slash Shopify slash auth slash redirect. Ah, actually, I can take the env file. Are my arms looking good? Today, I really went like hammered my arms today. How many are watching right now? 2 people. redirect URI equals redirect URI. And then I would do return press redirect endpoint. Where user shop equals await MySQL API dot find user for store ID. This will send DB record where user equals do you want to meet my wife? Where user equals await dot find user shop. Then maybe I should add some logic to log them in automatically. Return just redirect dashboard. Um, okay, so redirect, we'll do the same thing. First, we need a try catch. Oh, hey Rajendra, how you doing? What's up? Let me get some water and come back. 2 minutes, huh? Yep, I'm back. You doing best. What does that mean? Um, this warm as crap these days, man. Really so warm these days. How's the weather at your place, Rajendra? Is it hot or no? Okay. Yeah. So if rec dot query dot has own property shop and rec dot query dot has own property code and where code equals request.query.code. Do you want me to talk about the documentation a little bit so you are able to understand better what I'm doing right now? Or do you want me to just continue coding? Query.code. Okay. So what was the next part here? Okay, where access token equals this dot request access token from Shopify. So I would say request or query if access token not equal to null. Actually, I have a point here. So you guys are pro early returns, right? So you want to do early returns in the code. I'm against that. I think there are many conditions in which your code should fail. And if you kept doing that, like if not this condition return, if not this condition return, if not this condition then return, then if you are reading the code from top to bottom, you are only reading early returns, early returns, early returns, and it becomes hard to debug those things later on. So if you put the success case on the top, so reading becomes easy, like okay, in which conditions it should work, and then you return anything at the end that you want. That is something that I will die on the hill for. Fox Pro, 100%. Call me old fashioned. इधर आना, इधर आना, इधर आना, इधर आना. Guys, meet my wife. Look here. She's a little bit shy. Yeah, you can boo me all you want. She's a bit shy. She doesn't want to come on camera. I don't know why. Whoa, Ekta Krishna, why again, huh? They are calling you again. They want to see you. They want to meet you. No? She said no. Actually, since I've gotten married, I use the phrase, let me check with my wife a lot. Sounds cool. Like somebody says, do you want to hang out? And I'm like, let me check in with my wife. Sounds cool. Anyway, if access token not equal to null, then by Shopify store equals yeah, she does, but I don't think she would appreciate me giving out her Instagram. I think she likes her privacy. So no hard feelings, but this get Shopify store details like dot query and access token. then I should call this. Anyway, what else is going on? Anybody doing something interesting in their lives now? Okay, so save details to database. Cool. So after saving the details to the database, just check if the user is logged in or not. Check if user is logged in. If check, um, how's the weather at your place? Eka, Eka Krishna. Rajendra, where did you go, man? Okay, this should work. Is request from Shopify. Cool. So NodeJS, check HMAC. You're so lucky. Um, yeah, of course I'm your buddy. Verify webhook. Um, yeah, so verify HMAC. How is Sid 2 doing? Are you still doing babysitting? No? Um, function trait. Where are my traits? Yeah. Good to hear. Yeah, I could say. Being one, I can attest. Why? What is wrong with PHP? Man, you guys have so much beef with PHP, and I know that you used to write PHP yourself. It's not fair. Where crypto equals require process.API secret. So I probably should send API client ID or client secret. So where client secret equals, yeah, so you used PHP. So what was the beef? Do you know I actually don't take influencers seriously when they say that PHP is dying or PHP is irrelevant or whatever. I kind of lose my respect for them. West secret, I would send client secret over here. Yep, this should work. Actually, now let me stop the server, start it once again. And now if I hit localhost 3000 slash Shopify slash auth request.query where I'm already sending function is request from Shopify request query in it. Also here. So in the functions.js, it is getting request, right? Oh, okay. Yeah. So let's check it out anyway. Localhost on Shopify slash auth. First of all, let's just test this much. So it says cannot get Shopify slash auth. So what's happened here? Did I not even? Oh, shoot. Um, Shopify installation or redirection routes. So I'll do app get slash Shopify slash auth, and I'll have to do Shopify controller equals require controller slash. Huh? Oh, installation controller, sorry. API. It's nice. You should have some sorts of authority, you know. It's good. Um, cool. So I did these two things, not redirect. Let me close this out, close this out, close this out. Yep, invalid request. Got it. So this part is working. Then I would do shop equals something dot my Shopify .com and hmac equals something else. Is request from Shopify not a function? Okay. Ah, the data argument the data argument must be of type string or instance of buffer, type array or data view, receive an instance of object. The data argument, where is the data it's getting with the given data? Okay. So convert object into array JS. No, it wouldn't be rec.query because I'm already sending rec.query in it. So if I do console log rec and if I json.parse, okay. Anyway, Let me see. It is receiving an object of okay. So let me do JSON.parse. Let me see what it receives here. That's ironic, isn't it? Because you are high, but you are small. Why are they showing me? Only webhook, webhook, webhook. Shopify app installation JS. So verify HMAP auth to Yes, for health reasons, I have to stand and work. I have this Almira embedded into the wall, as I showed you the video the other day. So, for health reasons, I am. So it burns extra calories and keeps this thing from popping out, you know. Um, what's happening? What's happening? Okay, maybe I have to use a custom logic. And one of the things that I have to like I have gotten as a advantage, like let's say that I have my water right here, and I drink it, and I complete drinking it. Then with a chair, you have to go like you have to stand, you have to like kick your muscles into action. Then you have to go, you'll come back, you will again sit, pull the chair in. But with standing, there is no problems like that. You can just take the bottle, I can just walk away and get back like this, and I can continue working. So it saves just a little bit of time, you know. I hope you understood what I said. Are you flying? No? Uh, Previously in my other house, there was a table and chair arrangement, so I didn't have to stand. But now I'm taking health measures. Wow, now it's only you watching. Oh, keep it in control, or I'm not your parent. I shouldn't be telling you what to do or what not to do. Do as you wish. You only live once. Where data. Or we should get OStream into this stream. Wow, that rhymed. When I am all await where key of for while I am for where key in request key equals key dot replace Yeah, I know, right? Uh, equals key dot place equals. How is the weather at your place? Can you see my forehead shining because of all the sweat? It's that warm here. It actually hurts. So warm. Ah, that's so perfect. It's like actually, let me show you what weather in Jamshedpur. 31 degrees. Oh, 31 degrees. It's like killing me right now. Outside, try my laptop. My laptop itself is getting so hot right now that if I put my hands like this, it's burning my hands. It's so hot. But I'm trying to get an air conditioner. That should fix things up. और सुनना, वो बंदा नहीं आया। हाँ, नहीं वो ठीक है, तो स्ट्रीम चल रहा है, ठीक है। मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो पंखा और बंदा नहीं आया। Where data dot push. It's about 10 p.m. now, so she's quite tired from the office. So she's sleeping in the back, outside of the camera. बाबू तो एक बात बता, अगर तेरे को हॉल में बैठना था तो उस रूम में क्यों नहीं बैठ गई जहाँ पंखा चल सकता था? तो सच में तकलीफ वाला पॉइंट तो ढूंढती है कि कैसे अपने आप को तकलीफ में डाले। नहीं, key plus request key. Data equals data dot join burgers are amazing, is it? Are you eating up? Like it's 10 p.m. here, so I'm assuming that in your place it must be 5 p.m. I think it's just starting to get evening for you. Yeah, this should work now. Invalid request. Boom. Done. बाहर से हवा आ रहा है नहीं. Obviously, no, I don't speak Dutch. Frikadellen. I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, update data. See, I guess the time correct 5 p.m. but it's actually 6 p.m. So like you have a 4-hour time difference with me. Yeah, he could use, being in a relationship or something. Okay. I think end the I'll end the stream at this point. It's about 10 p.m. and I have to go eat dinner. Thank you for joining. If you have any questions about you guys, would you stop pranking around in my chat? Okay. So anyway, hey, whoa, hey, whoa. You should watch what we say. Anyway, before this stream goes to a point where I'll get thrown into jail, let me end this stream right here. Thank you for joining. And if you have any doubts about Shopify or 2.0 implementation with Node.js or anything like that, let me know. And I'll see you in the next stream. And be there in my Discord server. so you get updates, and I'll see you next time. See you.